Welcome everyone to another POV video here on the channel. I am of course driving the XRS again. I'm starting this video off by asking a question. What do you want to see me do with these POV videos? And I ask this because I feel like these are starting to get a little bit stale. Part of me feels like I'm kind of running... That is a very nice Mark V Supra. I'm starting to feel like I'm running out of ideas for these videos and like what to do with them. I've kind of driven a lot of the roads around my area. A lot of these POV videos end up being me driving in the same places. The one thing I do like about these POVs though is that you get to see me drive the cars and I get to sort of share my... These are almost like update videos, except with me driving the cars and people looking at me weird because I have a GoPro on my head. But let me know in the comments down below if there's specifically anything that you want to see with these POV videos. Do you want to see me race people? Do you want to see me do burnouts in residential areas? Would you like to see a POV of me going to jail for doing 100 miles an hour in a 25? Or is it the other way, a guy's just losing interest with the POV videos? I haven't really noticed much of a loss of interest views wise. I mean, these still get like a typical amount of views for the type of video it is. But whatever it is, I'm very interested to know your thoughts on these videos, and your feedback, as usual, is greatly appreciated. This is the dirt section. XRS does stand for Extreme Rally Sport, so there you go. We've done some rally driving today. In other news with this car, obviously the last modification I've done to it was the Muraso oil pan, and it's holding up really well. There's no oil leaks. I've been driving it to school and back and the oil level hasn't gone down, and it's holding up very well. I am very happy with it. And there we go, we got to test it out a little bit on that corner right there. Just driving around this area has given me a really good idea. Maybe I should do POV challenge videos. Like I could come out here and do the POV trespass on people's property and try not to get shot challenge. I think that could be pretty fun. Anyway, here's the new road that I've never been on. I have no idea where this goes, so we're gonna find out right here, right now. And there's a police vehicle down there. Please don't arrest me. Dead end? That's it? That's all that... Really? I thought this road would just follow to the next town over. I guess not. That is lame. You have to be kidding me. This is dumb. Okay. And that RAV4 is also lost as well. Okay, well that was the lamest exploration I've ever gone on. A school zone. There's a school here? How many schools does this city have? Because it looks like there's a lot of school. That's probably the school right there. What is it? That parking lot looks like it's probably for middle school. Definitely not a high school. A high school parking lot would be bigger because they gotta accommodate all the reckless teenagers driving their cars to school. And there's a high school here. What? Oh, wait, maybe that... I don't know. I don't know. All I know is that I am in a place that I've never been before, and there's apparently 2 more schools here that I had no clue existed. So that's nice. Okay, buddy. I see how it is. Yeah, okay. I see that. You guys want to hear a fun story? It's story time with Will Chang. I'm sure all of you want to hear this. So, with this car, a few days ago, maybe it was like a week or 2 ago, I almost ran over a chicken. Yeah, there's just a chicken just roaming around on the road, and I almost ran it over. And I did consider running it over because, you know, I want free food, and I figured I know how to cook chicken, and there's one right here. Why not just save myself a trip to the store? And I mean, I feel like that makes sense. But at the same time, then I decided, you know what? Some people might not like seeing me do that. members of the community might not enjoy watching me run over a chicken and then backing up to throw it in the back of my car. So I decided against it because I didn't want to taint my public image, but I thought I should just let you guys know that I did consider getting myself a free lunch that day. Also, looking at this F-350 here made me realize that I have been thinking a lot about buying a tow rig, pickup truck and a trailer, because I have too many cars now. Not to flex or anything, but I do have a few, and I think it would be good to have the ability to tow them around rather than drive them everywhere. I want to have one vehicle that I can put tons of mileage on so that the rest of them don't age so quickly. Of course, we hit this red light too. That's also amazing. Let me know your thoughts on what kind of pickup I should buy, because I'm really not that biased at all, except I will probably get my hands on a Tundra realistically, but I'm not biased. I will consider any kind of pickup truck as long as it doesn't cost $15 million. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Toyota. Realistically, it probably will be, but it doesn't have to be. That's what I'm getting at. If any of you watching have experience with pickup trucks, or you own a pickup truck that you really like, I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think would be a good pickup truck for towing cars around. With that being said, that is going to end today's POV video. Thank you everyone for watching. Click up here to check out more POV videos. Click here to subscribe to the channel, yada yada yada. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.